everyone, I'm Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cropping my personal wardrobe. Pretty much, I looked at my personal wardrobe. I have been on a journey of customizing clothes lately, but today I went through my personal clothing and I wanted to see what I wanted to keep the size. I tried on everything. I wanted to see if I wanted it to be cropped or if I wanted to cut up the edges to make into a tank top. I found a couple that I wanted to customize. I have a lot, actually. I have a lot that have to get cropped, but I am choosing to do 3 today. So, I have 3 shirts that I'm going to be either cropping or maybe cutting up the edges a bit. So, these are the 3 I'm going to be choosing. I'm going to BookCon tomorrow in New York City. So, I chose 2 book-themed t-shirts, and the other one is not book themed, it's TV show themed. I have a lot of graphic tees, so and I like a lot of fandoms, so don't judge me. So anyway, today here's one of them. This is a Fourth Wing shirt. I'm going to crop it, but it does have this cool graphic on the back, so I'm going to pretty much base it off of the back. Whatever it is, like, I'm gonna cut the back, and then I think I'm gonna turn this one into a tank top, like a muscle tank. It's gonna look a lot better. This one doesn't really need to be cropped. I'm going to cut off the collar of the t-shirt, and I will make it into like an over the shoulder moment and just kind of like wear it like that. I'm thinking of wearing this to BookCon tomorrow. I think this is the move, and then I'm going to wear a romper underneath it. I'm going to put a t-shirt on top of it, like one of the graphic tees. I haven't decided if I'm going to wear this Fourth Wing one or I'm going to wear this Fourth Wing one. I'm not sure yet. These are unfortunately the only bookish merch I have. Trust me, I like better books that I have in than Fourth Wing, but these are like the first 2 ones that I had, and also I bought months ago, so I'm hoping to get better merch tomorrow so I can possibly customize them and make it fit to my liking. So, but yeah, either this shirt, and then here is the other one I'm going to crop today. This is a Ghost Adventures t-shirt. I got this from Hot Topic. I actually got all 3 of these shirts from Hot Topic. So this is Zach Bagans. He is the creator of the show, the star of the show, quite frankly. And it says on the bottom, there are things in this world we will never fully understand. Which is actually really funny. So, but yeah, I saw this shirt at Hot Topic. I was like, I have to get this, and I did. I got this maybe a few months ago. I just don't remember when, but I think I'm going to crop this one and also turn it into a tank top. I have a lot of stuff I'm going to turn into a tank top. So first, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to crop the shirts, and I'm going to tie them on. I'm going to try them on. I can't speak. I'm sorry. So I'm going to try them on, show it off for the camera first, and then I'll show the after, obviously. But right now, we are going to cut off the edges and see how it looks on me first before I do the arms. Maybe I'll change my mind. I don't know, but obviously progress will be made. So anyway, let's get started. This is already so much better. This is going so much better than I thought. I cut off so much. Look at the back. I left a little bit room, but this is like so much cuter than I thought it was gonna be. Like, so much better. Actually, I don't even think I'm gonna make a tank. No, I think this is good the way it is. This is actually perfect the way it is. Maybe I could have made it a little bit longer, but honestly, put this over either like one of my dresses that I have, like a long black maxi dress, or the romper that I was gonna wear tomorrow, and then or I wear one of my skirts. Done. That's the outfit right there. I think this is honestly perfect. I think this came up fantastic. So let's move on with the next shirt. Okay, so this one, I cropped it. It definitely cut off a good couple inches as well. This one doesn't feel as long anymore, so it feels good on me too. I'm definitely going to be cutting off the sleeves, so this is definitely going to be a muscle tank for the summer. This is already looking pretty good. It feels good on me too, around here. That's what I'm most concerned about, what it feels like it's constricting me a little bit. And I want to be comfortable in the summer. I do have, yes, I'm wearing a tank top underneath, but it's because I want to wear something underneath it. It's my choice of when I wear the tight clothing. But when it comes to like something like this, like graphic tees, I like them to be a little bit bigger. So, but right now, another good layering piece. I can probably put this over like anything. This is black, so I can literally go with anything. So, but yeah, this is perfect. I am going to now cut off the sleeves. Yeah, this is a vibe right here. This is the vibe. Yep. And I don't care if it looks a little uneven, honestly. That's the beauty of it being your own clothes. Yes, you might know that it's a little uneven, but honestly, I still wear it anyway. Showing off my tattoos. Can't wait to get more, but that's one reason why I like wearing muscle tees. I want to show off like all the money I spent. Oh boy. So second DIY is done. Super easy. You can even do this yourself. If you have a graphic tee that you want to turn into a muscle tank and you don't have any like tank tops, take one of your graphic tees, turn it into a tank top. Boom. It's pretty easy. This would be a good outfit for like, again, on top of like a dress, or even like a skirt, or even just wear jeans with it. Like this is a vibe for me. I'm gonna live in this tank top. I can't wait until it gets a little warmer. It's still a little too cool. Yes, we've been teased about the weather lately, but this is a vibe, 100%. I ain't gonna lie, I was a bit nervous about this one, but honestly, like, we can do, like, off the shoulder moment, we can do both off the shoulder moment, we can just do the v-neck like this. It doesn't even look that bad, honestly. It doesn't look that bad, I like it. I kinda like what I can do now. Yeah, you know what? Hell yeah. But I think mostly I'm gonna do, like, something like this, probably. Now, as far as what I'm gonna wear tomorrow, I'm still a little unsure, but well, I'll find out. But anyway, here's just a little compilation of what I made today. Okay, so obviously we have a lot to get through for the rest of the pile. So if you like this video, leave a like and also comment on it if you did enjoy the video. And I am definitely going to be doing more videos anyway, because I am having fun customizing my clothes and just pretty much matching the vibe that's gonna be either the summer, maybe even into fall, but mostly summer because I'm actually running low on like summer clothes that I actually like, and my style is changing a little bit, so I'm fully embracing everything that I am enjoying and just like customizing my clothes in general. So I'm just having a fun time doing this. So so and this is everything without a sewing machine. I don't even have a sewing machine yet. So imagine what I'm going to do when I get a sewing machine and learn how to sew. I'm looking forward to that moment. So, but I'm saving up. I don't have the money for it at the moment. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!